and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Church says MOI issue still not solved, calls mining issue an eye-opener for government, tells to revisit economic policy, says government yet to prove on zero tolerance to corruption. CM meets PM asks for special package to mining-dependent people. Maharashtra government plans special package for Tilari-affected people. Agitation will be withdrawn soon, hopes Parikar. I will ask Tilari Dam-affected people to withdraw their agitation if Goa government gives written assurance, promises Sawantwadi MLA Deepak Kesarkar. Says government shouldn't forget sacrifice of people. Illegal trade of laterite stone continues in Sangay-Kankon area. Laterite transporters caught red-handed. Prudent exclusive. And Sunvan Festival kicks off at Kandoli Beach, violates most of the guidelines promised to the High Court. And now the news in detail. Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao in his annual address has said that MOI issue is still not solved. Archbishop also said that mining issue is an eye-opener and government need to revisit state's economic policy. He also expressed worry over non-Goans taking over tourism business. He slammed government, stating that government is yet to prove on its assurance of zero tolerance to corruption. Church also expressed concern, stating that ruling class is yet to get grip over the administration.
Being the largest education service provider in the private sector, does not receive the desired recognition in this field, nor is it given an adequate representation in the decision-making echelons. While we acknowledge with appreciation that some outstanding issues have been resolved by the present administration, others are waiting to reach their logical conclusion, and many more are still to be addressed. While the Church cannot but condemn any illegalities in mining and the plunder of the land, we understand that the government is looking to alleviate the problems of these people by rehabilitating them in other industries. The current mining crisis is indeed a wake-up call for the government to revisit all its economic policies for their sustainability and adherence to human rights. We have now a new government which has yet to prove itself in its resolve to eradicate corruption and give to the people of Goa a clean and responsible administration.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
The proposal of special package to mining-dependent people in state has reached the Prime Minister. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has urged Manmohan Singh that mining ban in state has badly hit the people. CM met Singh while he was in Delhi to attend a meeting of National Development Council. He also spoke with Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chauhan over Tilari issue. Parrikar informed us that Chauhan has assured a special package for Tilari Dam-affected people.
बेसिक मीटिंग एक विषय रेज केल्लो तो म्हणजे मायनिंगचो की मायनिंग जे बंद जाला ताका कारणीभूत फाटले गव्हर्नमेंटांनी एनवायरमेंट मिनिस्ट्री आहा आणि त्यामुळे तातूंतल्यान आतां जे लोकांक विशेष लोकांक जे प्रोटेक्शन दिवंक जाय लोकांचे रिहेबिलिटेशन करूंक जाय तातूंत भितर सेंट्रलाचे फायनान्शियल हे आसतले होम डिपार्टमेंट ऑफिसरांक की state is not, we are state and not union territory. त्याशिवाय 371 आर्टिकल 371 where special status for identity purpose being given.
पृथ्वीराज चव्हाण मेळना तुमका महाराष्ट्राचे मुख्यमंत्री
सगळ्या म्हाका सांगला की नाव they are thinking of working out a compensation package. त्यामुळे compensation package मिळवलं काहीच ऑब्जेक्शन नाही. There is a part of the agreement. तुम्ही वर्कआउट करा आमचं सांगा क्वेश्चन ऑफ गिव्हिंग सम मनी आहे
होय
त्यामुळे दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट वन मे बी आज साल्यामध्ये डिटेल कमी चांगला नाही.
A reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaukar for Prudent.
Sawantwadi MLA Deepak Sarkar has said that if Goa government gives written assurance that government will think sympathetically about Tillari dam affected people, then he will ask agitators to withdraw their agitation. He was speaking in our program The Debate. BJP MLA assured him to speak to the cabinet on the issue before the end of this year.
आता जे झालं ते चुकीचे
आता झालेले हे चुकीचे असा हांव 100 वेळा सांगला आमच्या लोकांक की हे झालेले चुकीचे असा पाणी सोडपा जाय पण त्यांची पॉझिटिव्ह भूमिका एकही लेटर असे असा जाल्यार तुम्ही दाखया गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटचे की आम्ही सिम्पॅथेटिकली ह्या भाशेर आज तुम्ही दियात आज हांव तांकां जावन विनंती करता की हे लेटर असा
जेन्ना सरकार म्हणून एक हे चलता पयलींची गव्हर्नमेंट असली तर ती पाळपा जाय
ही भूमिका तुम्ही सरकारा कडच्यान मान्य करून घेतलाय
हांव म्हजे प्रयत्न करतलो 100% की ती मान्य करपा जाय.
Are you happy with that?
कित्याक हातून कोणाचे
Are you
हेत
happy
ना.
I am absolutely happy with it. On the contrary, I would request Mr. Awag बाबाक हांव रिक्वेस्ट करता की 18 तारीखच कंट्रोल बोर्डाची मीटिंग करपा जाय अशें ना आणि कंट्रोल बोर्डाच्या मिटिंगेत फक्त अधिकारी असतात अशें ना तुमचे जलसंपदा मंत्री आसतले आमचे जलसंपदा मंत्री आसतले तेन्ना पॉलिटिकल डिस्कशन्स जावपा जाता
तुम्ही म्हणतात की 18 जानेवारी मेरेन रावपाची गरज ना जाय जाल्यार तुम्ही ताज्या की पयली मीटिंग घेवपाक शकता
हांव तुमकां एश्युरन्स देता तुम्ही जेन्ना डेट देता हांव राज्याच्या जलसंपदा मंत्र्याक गोवा हाडपा हांव हे करता
गोंया हाडून मीटिंग करपाची तुम्ही तुमची तयारी
सांगता माझी तयारी आसा
किती कॉन्क्रीट सांगपाक शकता कितली दिसां भितर सरकार कॅन रिस्पॉन्ड
Although I have said
या
that you cannot put the entire blame on Goa government. Still we maintain that we have our sympathies with the farmers.
9 वर्ष लागचे पयली रिएक्ट जातले सरकार
9 वर्स लागचे पयलीं सरकार
रिएक्ट जातले.
Meanwhile, Advocate S.N. Joshi has threatened to take the Tillari issue to the High Court if Tillari water is not released within 7 days.
Maharashtra government should ensure, basically Chief Secretary now, our immediate program is, by tomorrow I will be issuing legal notice to the Maharashtra state, as well as Goa state, to maintain law and order, to ensure that law and order is enforced. Agitators are taken out of the canal within next 7 days and water is released. And in case, if the two states do not come forward and settle the issue, in a week's time, we have decided to file the writ petition before the High Court.
With Bureau Inputs, Senior Video Journalist Toshidas Chari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.